If you're someone that's looking to become an affiliate on TikTok and you don't want to show your face and you're not sure what type of content you should be creating, then this is going to be the perfect video for you. In last week's YouTube video, I explained to you guys how much money you could be making using TikTok's new affiliate program. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys and giving you guys ideas of different type of content that you can create that will potentially earn you up to $100,000. So some of these creators are actually making more than $100,000, which is absolutely mind-blowing to me. But I'm going to be showing you guys the exact type of content that they are creating that's going viral and it's getting them hundreds of thousands of dollars. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Viva Lapping Posh, and as you guys know, here on my channel I create absolutely free content, free videos, you guys, free videos that are going to help you guys grow and excel your online businesses, whether it's a product-based business, a service-based business, or a business as a influencer. Because yes, being an influencer is a business. To subscribe to this channel, you guys, the content I create here is absolutely free. I'm trying to hit my goal to get to 100K, you guys. I'm almost there, but with you guys' help, I can definitely get there faster. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel and share this video to someone who might find it helpful, which is literally everybody. Because I actually want to show you guys the type of content these creators are creating. Because yeah, anybody can tell you to create a certain type of content that's going to go viral or that's going to do well for you. But just remember, being an affiliate is not a one size fits all. You're going to have to experiment and you're going to have to find which type of content works best for you. So that's why I decided to do this video, and I'm going to go through a few creators' profiles and I'm going to actually show you the one video that they have created that earned them the most money. So let's get into that part of the video. But the way I'm going to do it is we're going to go by smaller channels. So I'm going to head over to creators. You guys wouldn't be able to access this unless you have a business on TikTok. So that's how I'm able to access this type of information. Okay, so we are going to go by follower count, and I'm going to do by a lower follower account. By the way, I did see that people that don't have 5K are actually using the TikTok affiliate program, and that's because they're putting their account on business. So when you put your account on business, it doesn't matter how many followers you have, you're able to use the affiliate center. But the thing is, I wouldn't put my account in business because once you put your account in business, you're not able to use viral music. So it's going to be harder to get eyes on your page. But I just wanted to let you guys know that. So now we're going to go over to these small pages, and I'm going to look for pages that doesn't have the person showing their face. Like for instance, this one right here. So I'm going to click on this video first. As you can see, they have 4.4K followers. They are making $64,000 in affiliates. These are the units that they sold. That's a lot of units. 7,000 units. So let's click on this video to see what type of content they are making. I actually think this is a male's page, because just because they're female based, just because their page is female based does not mean that it's a female's page. So let's click on here and see what type of content they are creating.
Guys, check it out.
Oh.
Viral TikTok toy right now. All you gotta do is hit the lid up. All you the link down before you.
Okay, so this could. So as you can see in the beginning of the video, the guy does show his face, but he doesn't really have to do that. Again, majority of his audience is female based. Like, they don't really care how he looks. They're probably just buying these toys or whatever it is for their children. Even if they're buying for themselves, his face in these few first minutes does not matter. So let's say you wanted to create a video like this. You guys, do you guys see how easy these videos are? And I feel like people are like stuck as to what content to create when these videos are just easy. His quality is not even good. The human brain works. So let's go to another page where the person is not showing the page. So this one right here has 5.2K. Majority of their audience is male based, and they are making $52,000. Let's click on this video.
Yo, you have one day. When I tell you this stuff sells out quick, I mean it. And it's for a very good reason. It's potent and very effective. This stuff got Tonga Ali, Fadoja Agrestis, Makaru, Ashwagandha.
So as you guys can see here, this guy is literally just, he has a product and he's showing it, and he's just telling you guys the benefit of taking this product or the possible benefits that you can get from taking this product. Such easy content. Let's try another one. Electronics page. This page is female based and they have 3.3K followers and they're making 10K. They have sold 1,000 units of these. Like, bro, what is this video? Like, it's all over the place. The fact that they are making it's so funny to me. Let's go to another one because this is absolutely insane. They're 97 followers. Like, are you serious right now? Let's see. Absolutely insane, and that's the entire video. So these are smaller pages, absolutely insane. Like, you guys can see the amount of money that they are making. So now let's go. I'm gonna take off the filter for the 10K and I'm gonna go to the performance and I'm gonna go to the revenue. Let's do 10K plus because obviously these are the big hitters. Has 108,000 followers. She has generated a revenue of $538,000 and she has sold 26,000 units. So I'm going to click on this video and let's see what the heck type of content she's creating to make this type of money.
I just received this in the mail, and if you are already sold, the link for it will be right here. This is the Fuck It 2024 calendar for tired ass women.
Say what?
This is the kind of calendar I need in my life. Shall we jump to a random month? Bad bitches have bad days too. It's a beautiful day to leave me the fuck alone. Let's jump to another one. July, you've got this shit. Let's keep the... Great for December. Everyone loves this thing.
Like, you guys, are you serious right now? That is such an easy video to make. You don't have to show yourself like she did. Because obviously, majority of the video is her just showing the item that she purchased. That is absolutely insane. That amount of money, like $500,000, like, are you, like, I don't think you guys can completely grasp your head around that. Reading the features, I feel like it's pretty straightforward and these videos help a lot.
This is the best fan for travel, and there's not even a competitor close to it. I've done plenty of traveling for work, and of course, as a contractor, it's heavy. Let's just start with when I say portable, I mean portable. It all folds up and it goes into a little case. You get where you're going, you stand it up, power it. Does it nightly. Did I mention that? Get up to 48 hours as long as you're running it on low.
You guys, so as you guys can see, the type of content that creators are creating that is earning them major bucks is simple content. And these are not huge creators, they're small creators, which means if they are doing this, you can do the exact same thing. The only thing that stops you, the only thing that limits you is your mind, you guys. You will go as far as your mind will allow you. So just be open minded and know that there are actually everyday regular people out here earning hundreds and thousands of dollars by being an affiliate for TikTok. It's absolutely amazing. Like, I don't know if this video is not enough inspiration and it's not encouraging for you, then I don't know what to tell you because like this is literally all I would need to see as a smaller creator. Seeing that other smaller creators are actually doing what I want to do and generating an income from reviewing products and showcasing products that you actually love and use is absolutely amazing. Some of them probably don't even use it because again, these videos are videos of people that's not actually showing themselves. It's so easy. Like, I don't like nowadays I feel like if you're not making money on social media, okay, it's fine. Some people don't want to be on social media. That's completely okay. Like, if it doesn't make you happy, then that's completely okay. But the fact that Wi-Fi is not free, but we have to pay for Wi-Fi. But the fact that we have smartphones, it's like use your smartphone. You guys be smart because there's so many different ways to make money on social media, and I don't think a lot of people are utilizing it. And it just saddens me because I see people complaining about being in a financial struggle and I'm just like there's unlimited money to be tapped into on social media. So I really hope that these videos, like the past 2 videos that I've created for you guys, are very encouraging and kind of pushes you guys to lean towards the whole affiliate marketing thing. I actually want to add to this video that YouTube actually just released an affiliate program, which is insane. And their affiliate program is for Walmart and other high-end brands. It's insane. Like, if YouTube is doing it, then that's telling you guys something. Maybe Instagram is next. Who knows? Instagram and Facebook are always last to everything. So let's get to work, you guys. I want to see you guys getting to your 5K followers and being able to join these affiliate programs so you're able to maximize earnings and make money and be happy and be in complete control of your time. Like, it's amazing. So that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys really like this video. Remember, get everybody on the internet. This is a way to do it faceless. Like, if people don't like social media, that's fine. You can do it faceless. Come on, you guys. So that's gonna be it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace and much love. Bye, guys.